So to this video mga idol, let's cook steamed fish, tomato with egg, shredded with spring onion, chicken wings with potato, celery and carrots fry, with shrimp, and then sliced pork and also fried vegetables. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow our page and paki-share this video. Maraming salamat.